Number 1. 1988 Ford F250, price $7,400, powered by a gasoline 5.0L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It comes with a clean title and is equipped with a fully functional four-wheel drive system. The truck features a two-tone exterior and an 8-foot-long bed, offering plenty of space for hauling and daily utility. Inside, the interior is in very good condition, with all major components working properly, including heat, air conditioning, radio, and dual fuel tanks. A rare factory sunroof adds a unique and desirable touch to this classic F250. While the body shows some cosmetic imperfections consistent with its age, it remains mostly straight and well preserved. Additional upgrades include running boards, wheel flares, a tow hitch, and new tires, enhancing both appearance and functionality. Number 2. 1993 Nissan Pickup, price $5,800, well-maintained and dependable compact truck in good overall condition, showing only 35,000 original miles, which is exceptionally low for its year. It is equipped with a reliable and fuel-efficient 4-cylinder gasoline engine, paired with a smooth-shifting manual 5-speed transmission and rear-wheel drive, making it both economical and enjoyable to drive. The truck runs and drives very well and has been consistently serviced and properly maintained throughout its life. The exterior is finished in red paint and presents clean and straight, while the truck sits on brand new tires that enhance both ride quality and safety. It comes with a clean title and is known for its excellent fuel economy, making it a practical choice for daily driving, light hauling, or as a classic compact pickup. Number 3. 1998 Dodge Ram 2500, price $7,500, rear-wheel drive diesel truck with an automatic transmission and a clean title. It has 192,000 miles on the odometer, which is considered low mileage for a well-maintained 12-valve engine. The truck runs very strong, with the engine operating smoothly, showing no blow-by and no fluid leaks. The automatic transmission shifts cleanly and smoothly, and the truck starts right up and drives exactly as it should. It is equipped with a hijacker fifth-wheel setup, making it well-suited for towing, along with a 3.5 axle ratio and a limited slip differential that provides solid performance and traction. Overall, this Ram 2500 has been well taken care of and remains in excellent mechanical condition, with a clean title in hand. Number 4. 1994 Nissan Pickup, price $6,950. It is powered by a reliable 2.4-liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, making it a simple and dependable truck for daily use. The odometer shows only 138,000 miles, which is considered low mileage for its year, and it comes with a clean title. The truck features an extended cab and is equipped with air conditioning, heater, and defrost, all of which function properly. The AM/FM/CD audio system works as it should, and the vehicle retains its straightforward and durable setup with manual door locks and manual windows, along with power steering and power brakes for comfortable driving. It rides on brand new tires and has a documented maintenance history. Previously owned by a senior, this Nissan Pickup has always been garage kept, comes from a non-smoker environment, and has never had pets inside. Number 5. 1994 Nissan Pickup, price $6,900. It is powered by a reliable 2.4-liter engine with low mileage for its age at 150,590 miles and is paired with a 5-speed manual transmission that shifts smoothly. The truck runs and drives very well, making it an ideal choice for daily use or a student vehicle. It features a desirable chrome package, including chrome front and rear bumpers, which adds to its classic appearance. The air conditioning blows ice cold, the heater works perfectly, and the interior is equipped with a comfortable bench seat and the original factory radio. Both the exterior and interior colors are in beautiful condition, and the interior shows no rips, stains, or tears. The truck sits on a great set of tires and has recently received a fresh tune-up, a new clutch, new taillights, a new battery, and a fresh oil change. Number 6. 1999 Ford Ranger, price $5,500. The truck is equipped with a 3.0-liter V6 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, delivering a solid balance of power and control. It features 4-wheel drive capability, making it suitable for both on-road driving and light off-road conditions. This model is flex fuel compatible, allowing it to run on alternative fuel options. For comfort and convenience, it comes with air conditioning and power steering with a tilt-adjustable steering wheel. In terms of safety, the vehicle is fitted with dual front airbags and an anti-lock braking system, ABS, providing added protection and confidence while driving. Number 7. 1995 Chevrolet 2500, price $5,500. currently showing 86,000 miles. It is powered by a dependable 350 V8 engine paired with a strong 4L80E automatic transmission, making it well suited for both daily use and light to moderate work. The truck has recently been fitted with a new AC compressor, so the air conditioning system is in good working condition. It rides on new 10-ply tires that provide added durability and stability, and the battery is approximately 1 year old. Included with the truck are a ladder rack and a locking toolbox, offering extra utility and storage, although the toolbox struts will need to be replaced. The body is completely free of rust, which is becoming harder to find on a truck of this age, and the paint is still in acceptable condition, showing normal wear consistent with its years. Number 8. 1995 Dodge Ram 1500, price $3,999. It is powered by a 5.9L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, delivering a deep, muscle truck rumble on the road. The truck shows 130,000 original miles on the odometer and comes with a clean and clear title, ready for transfer. Equipped with custom wheels and staggered tires, this Ram stands out with an aggressive stance. It also features custom lighting, a Rhino bedliner for added durability, an in-bed toolbox for practicality, and a tow package for hauling needs. While this is an older truck and will require some TLC, it starts easily, runs strong, and drives with the feel of a true muscle machine. Overall, it remains a solid and powerful truck with plenty of life left for the next owner. Number 9. 1979 GMC C30, price $9,500. Well-maintained classic truck featuring its original, numbers-matching 454 big block engine paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission that has recently been serviced. It comes well-equipped with factory power windows and power door locks that function properly, along with working air conditioning, a tilt steering column, heavy-duty power brakes, and a factory tachometer. The drivetrain is enhanced by 4.10 rear gears and a transmission oil cooler, making it well-suited for both cruising and heavy use. Additional highlights include dual fuel tanks, headers connected to a newer dual exhaust system, bucket seats with a center console, and a rear sliding window. All glass is in good condition, and the truck includes the original jack and handles. It holds a clear and clean title, ready for its next owner. Number 10. 1990 Dodge 3500, price $4,300, diesel-powered truck with 295,000 miles on the odometer, equipped with an automatic transmission and holding a clean title. It is powered by a Cummins engine that has been upgraded with a Banks power pack, adding extra performance and efficiency. The truck still runs and drives well, making it a solid and dependable choice for work or hauling duties. As a rear-wheel drive truck, it delivers strong pulling capability and has built a reputation for durability. The body is straight and solid, showing no major structural issues, and the interior of the truck bed remains very straight and well preserved.